The man was taking a leak. When he spotted something shiny in the distance, he went to check, and found a huge gold nugget. He glanced at his buddy, the big bearded guy, who wasn't looking his way. He breathed a sigh of relief. But after some hesitation, the man called Big Beard over. They say true gold fears no fire. They tested it with a lighter. No color change. It seemed real. But what surprised them was, this was just the tip of the iceberg. They dug away the surrounding dirt, revealing a much larger vein of gold. They couldn't dig further, so they tried to break off a chunk. Two strong men strained with all their might, but the gold didn't budge. So they tried hauling it with their truck. But the tires got stuck, and the rope snapped. Not giving up, they tried one more time. Same result. Finally, they realized, this wasn't a nugget. It was a whole gold mine. Dusk was falling. They gathered some firewood first, lit a big bonfire, to protect against wolves at night. That night, Big Beard suggested, to get this gold out, one must go get an excavator. The other stays to guard it. But the round trip would take 5 days. The man had a foot injury. He likely couldn't last 5 days alone. So Big Beard volunteered to stay. But to prove himself, the man insisted on staying. Next day, Big Beard, saying the engine needed cooling, took most of the water. He tossed him a satellite phone to keep in touch, told him to hang tough, they'd be rich in 5 days. After Big Beard left, the man covered the mine with dirt, then using a tarp, set up a simple tent by a tree. He gathered more dry wood. Night fell. He lit the fire, ate a bite of hot canned food, but just a small bite, because he had to ration his food for the long days ahead. Hearing distant wolf howls, the man gripped his knife tight. Next day, the sun woke him up. First thing he did was glance at the gold nearby. Then the phone rang. The man scrambled to answer it, but no signal. Out of firewood nearby, he took the tarp to search farther out. Suddenly, he saw something glinting again. He covered the gold with rocks, then slowly climbed a small hill. It was an airplane wreckage.